National Health Mission Nagaland para Nagaland Laboratory Technician Nimide Ekdin laga free diagnostic service to Regional Resource Center for Northeast State Logot Miligana Conference Hall Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Day Thursday din organized kursha. Inaugural session do Dr. Raj Prabha Moktant Director RRC NE para special guest tagishe aro idul Ekdin laga training do trainers kan ge free diagnostic service Kinega hoigina laboratory technicians can't machine to operate kuribo lage idu oporbi train kushe kusha.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Raj Prabha Moktan, Director of the Regional Resource Center for Northeastern States, which is a branch of National Health System Resource Center, and we give support to NHM and also to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India.
Okay. Can you please highlight on today's training?
Today, actually, in collaboration with National Health Mission of Nagaland, Regional Resource Center is supporting the training of all the lab technicians in the primary health centers as well as community health centers as well as urban health and wellness centers of Nagaland. This training is basically because there has been an expansion of services in the primary health care. Initially, it used to be just 6 services, which was restricted to reproductive child health, family planning, and NCDs, non-communicable diseases. Now there's expansion to 12 packages of services like eye, ENT, oral, elderly palliative care, and also trauma and minimal emergency cases. So in order to, cater to all these expansion of services as well as because there is a paradigm shift happening in epidemiological paradigm shift happening from more of communicable diseases to non-communicable diseases. So we have to have this hypertension and, diabetes mellitus. The tests for them also needs to be done. So that is why, and under the 15th Finance Commission, new equipments have been given to all the PHCs and the CHCs here. So in order to train the lab technicians with the new equipments, this training has been organized.
Ma'am, can you please explain the purpose of the training for today's one-day training?
So basically, this program is under Free Drug Initiative. So the purpose of this training is, as I told you earlier also, there has been an expansion of services and also expansion of the number of tests that are being done at the primary level. That is in the sub-center. We have total number now 14 tests are supposed to be done. In the PHC, total number 64 tests are supposed to be done. Likewise in CHC and district hospital also, the number of tests has increased. And under 15 Finance Commission also, new equipments like semi-automated analyzer, biochemistry analyzer, hemoanalyzer, these have been also given to the facilities. So lab technicians who were trained earlier are not, really with these new machines. They're not really familiar. So, and also orientation training is very much required for the lab technicians. So hence this training has been organized in collaboration with NHM of Nagaland and RRCNE. And also we have very good specialist doctors, pathologists and all from Nagaland Hospital who are coming to give training, as well as the engineers from these companies who are the suppliers of the equipments. So they are also here. So it is an overall hands-on training for the lab technicians so that they will be able to perform the tests at the primary level. And this in turn will, prevent the patients from the rural areas traveling all the way to the district hospital for small tests. And that will incur, a lot of out-of-pocket expenditure for them. So in order to, bring down the out-of-pocket expenditure, in order to give the patients in the rural area, ease just going to the center and doing the tests, this training has been organized to build the capacity of the lab technicians already posted there.
Nagaland TV, Sob Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.